Too quick, eh? Alright, people, sorry about that. We have technical difficulty. True Juice versus Falmouth. And yeah, yes, fresh card, that is it. We just fix it, we just try and figure out the problem, and we get it okay. True Juice leading 1-0. True Juice leading 1-0, people. Number 17 with a good, great cross. Number 19 scoring. The number 19. That player there, right there. That player, number 19. Scored the goal. Which one of the match? Which one of the match you want to watch? Oh, people remember 5 o'clock you're having the under 20 national players playing against Costa Rica over there in Honduras. Military Gona is going to live stream that game, so right after this one finish, please do tune in on that live watch along. People, share the live, share the live. We are back on YouTube with the Tier 2 game. Cavalier. Hey, Cavaliers in the mind. True Juice FC versus Falmouth United. That's the Marley team. Coached by Dr. Dean Wedderly, the Falmouth team. And the True Juice team coached by Slice. Yeah, I think so, cause well, it was at Montego Bay, yeah, with Mr. Hill. Now switching to Falmouth, and I think they lose that a player too, so the team kind of you know rebuilding stage. Military, you tag the score. You tag the score. Hmm? You tag the score. Oh, go on. Tag the score. You want to tag the score? You can't tag it. Yeah, 1-0 True Juice over Falmouth. True Juice, playing different, different starting 11, and they're really playing some good football at the start. It looks like it's a different True Juice. Two tackler now, they make body.
I can't catch him now. It's number 5 there. My control midfielder Fred. All white, you know. You can't see saying all, you know. Baba? The boy I'm at today.
But they're not reaching fast now.
Number 19. Good player. 2 foot. PSC.
Push.
Can't catch it. So I'm on belly big, so. As it stands, it's pretty much a balanced game, you know. Chujus and Falmouth. Yeah. I think Hopewell. I believe Hopewell game. Chujus in possession. And that has to be a foul. That's a foul. Not sure if I would say I see any more goals in this game as it stands. Not so sure of how the game is being panned out at the moment.
Chujus look like a team coming out.
Boss Thomas, where may I get the Monday from? not a bad feel, you know. Long ball. Inside the dangerous area. Ooh. Now give me a follow. Juju's is in transition again. And his strikers on it. Oh, lovely work from the keeper. Lovely work from the keeper. Falmouth holding some possession, trying to regain back composure of the game. I do believe that I need to get the number 5 on the ball a little bit more. It seems to be a midfield maestro. Lovely diagonal pass here and he receives it well. Lifts his head up. Oh, good tackle there from the fullback.
Falmouth need to focus on getting a coach that will stay and work with the boys more than chipping and chopping.
Good diagonal change. Farmer play off, don't be holding. Get support. No one to help. Everyone stand ball watching. At least he won a free kick.
Number 9 never come across help him now.
Yeah, I guess he didn't want to vacate the central attacking the central area. That's the role of the. Yeah, Boston must move. I think the ball can be moved a little bit faster, yes. But that's a lovely delivery. Oh, didn't beat the first man. No one was attacking the ball. Intelligent play there.
The final love is
have to hit the first man. the intended target. That's the heat of the game as it stands. Oh, lovely turn from Big Boy, and he has a very good kick on him. He has a heavy kick on him. Oh, and he goes in. And he's taken down. Referee sees nothing in that one. Transition from Falmouth. The striker makes a break. Oh! And that has to be a deliberate handball. A quick transition. The referee stops it to give a yellow card.
Fresh guard, not easy. Fresh guard.
Fresh guard.
Can't do that.
I have to say professional fresh guard. So the starting 11 is out for the under 20 team.
Starting 11 is out? I can't tell you before I see it. Can't tell you before I see it.
What are you going to do?
Malachi Douglas.
Why you say that? Malachi, Malachi.
Malachi.
Yeah.
You said out, you know?
Yeah, just come out.
The 11, we're going to start?
Yeah. We must have a 5 o'clock game now, not 4 o'clock now.
Alright. What tell them? Malachi Douglas and Malachi Douglas.
Oh, the breeze is hanging on to that one.
Malachi Douglas with Pearson and Duncan McKenzie in the middle.
Okay.
Up top, Devontae Campbell, Zion Scarlett, and Tyler Edwards.
Someone put the starting 11, under 20 starting 11 in the comment section
And
so we can see.
Backline early. Blake plays centre back with Anderson.
Why do you think Blake play?
With Mark.
Mark. I think Blake plays centre back.
So then use Malachi and Pearson in the middle and Duncan McKenzie.
I'm going to see now.
2-8 them up there.
Oh,
Tell me if I'm wrong, people. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
he couldn't hold on to that one. I expect a good showing from the under 20 team this evening. You know. I expect a really good showing from them.
You have VPN bunnies?
On the laptop.
Watch it on.
Juice and attacking. No. Come on. Fresh guard, just drop his start 11 in the comment section. This is the only live game that you can have direct contact or discussion with the commentators. Only live game you can do with that. He turned up everywhere in the boss, Thomas. It's not just Honduras alone. I think it's a global issue as it stands. I've seen many games in the fast week and a lot of water breaks taking priority. Lord, Mr. Under 20 game will start in less than an hour. You're gonna miss it because you're there watching True Juice versus Falmouth. I have my laptop right beside of me, so I'll be checking it. No, Giovanni plays. True Juice is leading 1-0 at the moment. I think about 30 minutes have passed in the game. Commentator Shaz, remember that we have game starting 4:30, 5:30. I wanted to be over there with Classic. Shaz, I can't take any phone call because my phone is very much active taking part in this game. So 5:30, I wanted to be over there. If anything, Shaz, 5:30, contact Classic. He has the admin role, and he can start up the game for the under 20. So ensure that you contact him and get involved in that one. I would really appreciate it if you do so. Shaz, Classic has the input, so just contact him and he will sort it out. So just contact him. He has the admin role. If it's the case in which you can just let him start it and you go and run it in the time being until he joins. That's a poor delivery. King Don, thank you for coming in. True Juice 1, Falmouth United 0. Oh, heavy touch there. Okay, so the starting lineup is Boyz, Clark, Blake, Badley, Rochester, Douglas, Zimenez, Pearson, McKenzie, Roberts, Campbell, Scarlett. Okay, so Scarlett starts ahead of Jamar Clark. I would understand that, as I said in my pre-match review, that Jamar Clark is more of one of those standing number 9s. Not saying that it does move in the channel, but you get a lot more diversity from the likes of, or dynamics from the likes of Zion Scarlett. But nevertheless, I do believe that Jamar Clark is more of a prolific goal scorer. Oh, that's a lovely delivery. That is a lovely delivery. So Roberts right, Campbell left. Zion Scarlett starts. Lovely control here from Baba. Big boy takes it. It's a good pass. Big boy dribbles. And he was going to shoot. This game is being played at True Juice Bagwalk, Bybrook. As it stands. Not a bad pitch, you know. Not so bad, you know.
I think about this Falmouth team.
They look like a good unit, if I'm being honest. That's a beautiful pass in the channel. Good defensive work from True Juice here. Centre back. No, Shaz, it's not that bad, you know. Actually, the patch that you're seeing right here is actually the only part of the field. You see that patch. And I do believe that that's because of the regular Sunday morning football that has been played on this pitch. Oh, this looks dangerous. Can True just get it sorted out? Supports arrive, and a beautiful cross inside a dangerous area. Good work from the defender there. Falmouth still in the ascendancy.
I think Falmouth really, taking charge of the
Central zone. It's a far shot and it's
getting more passing.
High and wide.
I think the True Juice team don't know how to use the number 17.
Come on, guys. We have over 50 persons watching and just 16 likes. I kind of think you guys can do a lot better than that.
I think they don't know how to use the number 17. That's Sturridge. They're playing balls for him to run and he's not that mobile. They have to give him ball to his feet.
I think he should play central.
Yeah, more center and leave the 19 to do more of the running.
Albert Robinson scores True Juice 1, Falmouth 0. I think he should play centre forward as a target man.
More than play on the line.
Yeah. Whoa, that's a hard tackle. That's a hard tackle. Players down at the moment. Good show here from the keeper. Oh, the defense is wide open for True Juice.
He's from Linstead, so more than likely he will be, familiar with True Juice. I think he's neutral though. That's true, military. Are you neutral? Or you are a True Juice fan?
I am neutral. I'm not here to enjoy some football.
He's neutral.
I'm from Lindsay.
He's neutral.
Despite I play football down here, I am neutral.
He's neutral, people. He's neutral.
No bias here.
No bias.
So far, this Falmouth team look a very good team.
Yeah, they're playing good, but True Juice really playing good, getting a early lead.
Efficiency in the final third is what True Juice has.
One of the thing that earned them over the couple of games, 4 games before this, they're not scoring their chances. That's why they lost.
Out ball from the keeper. There's time and space. Supports arrive.
That's a poor square.
Should have done a lot better with that one.
His body position going onto that ball was wrong. Should have been side on.
Yeah,
so he could get
that's the reason the control was so poor.
So he could get the square.
He didn't do the work before arriving to the ball. Before the ball arrived.
Oh, your team is Baptist. Oh, Baptist. Oh, True Juice beat Baptist 1-0 at Prison Oval.
As it stands in the 7 is Sivan, so who's asking about the number 7? Oh, can you hold it?
No.
Putting his right foot across his left foot, that's what really happened there.
True Juice really changed their team. Look like they find the remedy now.
Took a bit too long right there.
Here's going to be a change.
Early change.
Falmouth early change in the first half. Yeah, the score is still 1-0. We update you guys when scores are scored, when goals are scored. 1-0 True Juice. 1 goal over Falmouth United. So there's a free kick. Let's see if number 17 can score.
That is a good delivery. Oh, lovely work from the goalkeeper. Confident, coming and cleaning. True Juice on the back foot now. That's the compose on True Juice.
He pushed him. So he was calling for the push. I don't think it was poor.
It was a shoulder push.
Nah, they're going into the...
Asking for support. Frustration creeping into the Falmouth team. Referee asking the players to keep it a bit
And next time,
sportsmanship like.
he needs to, tune on the expletives. Need to control that part of his game. Over there, man.
Wow, that's a good delivery inside of it. Oh, good, that's a good attempt. That is a good attempt.
Over there now.
Yes, sir.
Me do over there, man.
Eh?
Me do over there.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, me do over there, man, when you touch me.
Plays down. Hand to the face. See.
Before talking to that 14 too much time now. I think the next time he do something he's going to get a caution. Maybe a straight red.
No, I doubt that. I think it's just the language that he's using.
No, but he just backed a player in his face.
As I said, he's a bit one of those.
USA 7 up over St. Kitts. Lie. What is this? USA the big side. Man.
You're gonna hear all the fanatics now saying USA is this and USA is that. It's just unfortunate. Oh, number 17. Why didn't you hit the ball one time?
No, just confident, you know. You have to have that confidence.
Confidence, of course.
Yeah, man, unseen sports there. Unseen and military link up, you know.
That's a good change. Unseen and military doing extensive coverage of the Tier 2, the JPL Championship.
And sometimes schoolboy.
And sometimes schoolboy football, when you do get the opportunity to.
Yeah.
Shaz, it's almost time for you to... Did you contact Classic, Shaz? Did you contact Classic to find out what's the situation?
Yeah, Falmouth playing about the ball better. But what Shoe Juice is doing, Shoe Juice is more playing direct and it's effective at the moment.
Direct from Shoes created quite a few amount of opportunities, but failed to put them away.
That's the captain of Dintil Technical High School. Yeah, Chojo, 17 in storage. Yeah, 17 in storage. He's playing what's that? Right striker.
At this point, as I said, mentioned storage, you see him dropping in deep, where I think he should be the one standing. And the number 19 comes in.
Roaming
Yeah,
around.
yeah. Storage doesn't have that physical prowess or lovely control from.
Lovely take by the keeper.
That's good from the keeper. Whoa, that's a red card. It has to be a red card. It has to be a red card. Oh, and that has to be a red card now. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's going to be. Yellow. He's very fortunate on that. The player's in some pain.
Hey, how did that guy miss that shot? How did Storage miss that?
I'm not sure.
He want to keep her alone?
Should have scored.
Should have scored. Should have hit the target.
It's a poor challenge. Unfortunately. Is it the same 14?
No. If it was a 14, I'd feel that it's a straight red card.
Bit aggressive on the tackle here, I would say. Huh?
Yeah, we know. The player is down. 2-foot tackle. Taking out the midfielder. So that's Sivan.
Yes, Ivan.
So they're trying to take out the midfielder that is really dictating the game for Chujus. That look like it's a instruction sent by the bench.
We might see a change.
Maybe. That should be a red card.
Yo.
No, man, I like them things. I like cigarettes. They want peanut or something. Them. Don't move, boy.
Very good all play. 19, I should say. Very good player. Really, really good player. I'm enjoying watching him play as a side. Oh. And the good result of actually there. Deliver to the back post. Keeper comes, keeper claims.
Good take by Goff, Mr. Goff. You know, today I was watching Choju's Super League semi-final with Fraser's. Yeah, Fraser's scored.
But take too long to get the delivery across.
Man down again, same player. Sivan. Look like that's it for Sivan today. Ankle, really giving him up trouble, some problems. So hold on, after the game finish, you can go back on it and watch it on the YouTube channel. You want to talk this one, you know,
Which one?
Jamaica.
Yeah. freshman. Ah. Oh, ball to the back post. Defensive work from Baba. For the past 5 minutes or so, Chudus has one have been on the back foot.
You're really defending a lot.
That's a beautiful pass in the channel. Strikes or slips. And he's
Nothing.
taken down.
That was
nothing in that one.
that was that begging. That was begging. That was begging. Clearly, the player was carrying his foot there and jump over the ball.
Falmouth played some good football in the last 5 minutes. Oh, that's a lovely challenge. Can you catch it? And it's half time.
And it's half time, people. Half time. Choo Juice 1. Falmouth 0. Dr. Dean Weatherly, coach for Falmouth. Kirk Richards, coach for Choo Juice. Manager, Blue.
Blues on the sideline actually. See him walk up on the pitch.
See Blue doing most of the the coaching job right now.
40%.
Really giving his shouting and giving instruction.
They go link Blue.
That's Blue right there. Always in a blue shorts. That's military going on.
Put the on the seat. Now we have a jersey and I come in front of the camera, you see, man.
Chelsea.
Jersey.
Straight.
Mad start back, you see. What? Hey, George!
I don't know if you laptop or charge. I'm gonna make it wrong. Better make it. If me have it, but I'll straight for this.
No, sir. So you left for wedding, the charge. Charge. You know the charger for this? The phone.
What's that?
Yeah? So who that charge it last? Who that charge it last?
Very cheap cent. Yes, sir.
Who that charge?
Who did that charge? Or what did that charge?
Huh?
Who or what?
What?
Did you have the charger?
A while ago?
No. Me never have it. No. Last time, I remember now, somebody charged us some bar.
You know where?
I never do. But I see it. I go check it first if you go charge to the laptop. So let me see if it's gonna work. Does that work, yes? From on it, you know.
Oh.
Free Instagram. Can I start make money from it? I think now I've got somebody at foreign to do them something. I'm going to need foreign address. Yeah, man. When they send me, when they email me, I find out. Yeah? Email me, say I'm eligible for monetization. I never know that.
So I reached 3,000.
3,000. I don't think the amount of followers that them. Yeah? Yeah. I know, active your page, bro. Bless up, man. You never know if that's how we need this.
I was supposed to text me for it.
I'm a virgin, you know.
What's the score over there? Alright, so the second half is about to start.
Brother, man, you love football like myself, you know, man. Eh? Jonathan,
Look, boy, in Jamaica, man.
oh, so we can see it. Totally depends. Because it means they might go fast with this
Why?
hotspot.
The problem?
Let me know and chop it, brother, that I think.
How many things I did I use?
Yeah, me that use it, but you come off me before me go online, me go from South Street. That's before me start stream, you see me? Once I start stream, I don't want to fast it again. Boy, have a good side, you know. Falmouth Utd is a good team, you know. They have to take them chance in the final third, though. They don't take them chance in the final third, they're not getting a problem. Big man. Juice out, you can. That charge good too. Baptist Alliance.
Yeah, man.
Playing tomorrow at Westport.
We know you're playing tomorrow, Westport.
Why Baptist scary so far? Baba, come out and play camera now. Westport far, man. We not get if we
Baba, we have to play
Baptist, if we not get paid for it, me I tell the truth. Would I make it? But we not get paid for it.
I know where I'm play Trevor.
Freely, but we don't know.
Yeah, but why am I play center? Can't run, you know. Yeah. Play center and post.
Eh?
Yeah, but didn't get the band get the score.
Wow. It's a big gap in between us, huh? Wait! Sorry.
I know. Watch out. Come on, the car for the camera.
Get piece of action, me a play.
Hey, people. Military was doing about 5 different juggling a while ago.
You can't say me can't play.
They never see it, they never show me a card.
Go see me try run out there and go drop, no? Spread up in front of that big old YouTube. Spread up on my face. I think I'm a big boy. Oh.
I think they changed the way Ramon though.
Too much.
Can I keep man this animal narrator, sir? The 5 are boss of the leagues, you know.
I did, man. I already. Go on, do some of it. Shot boy. Bomba! Screamer! Seal across the goal.
Get it?
Mm-hmm.
What? Make some money now by camera where you just put your son.
Oh.
Camera.
Which camera that? No camera can do that.
Video camera.
Every camera have somebody have to monitor it.
No?
See, every camera somebody.
Your phone.
What you talking about?
Eh?
What you
The
talking
camera
about?
where arms up there.
But
Book love.
eh? Oh who?
Camera book love.
I say every camera monitor have to monitor it. Somebody have to monitor it. No, somebody. Every camera somebody have to monitor it.
Military. So we research man, buy it, vision and buy it.
How much feet?
For the it's about 500,000.
Me not buy that.
No man. Come in a built-in software with check.
Oh, that's VEO name.
Yeah.
Yeah. And some hospitals are still about it. Me never know that. Never know that. That's true. First thing I hear about it.
I mean, I first man come on YouTube come start.
What do you? A chucky ball.
Check it out.
Okay. Lively a play, no? Don't bowl in jail play for now. Oh, it's all for the Phoenix of it.
So we don't know that one? Phoenix and Jamaica have it. Phoenix and I think Jamaica have it.
Some Kingdom say me have to get one.
About 500,000.
Kingdom?
Would I change that now?
Them the money there.
Would I raise?
Where me get the money from?
What you know you buy it? You have to call them and book it. Pay the money. Send it.
Oh, see?
Ship it. You can just go up on Amazon and buy it. Yeah. The man call you. I explain to you. The man can call you. And tell you about it and everything. Head lick, referee, head lick.
Hey! Yeah. And then shoot. Good man. Can't tell you. And time I play football, I have a ball named Gawain, right? Kick the ball hard, you know. Me and a goal I keep. Gawain kick the ball, brother, I jump and chest it. A big hot tear come out of my out of my mouth. Brother, big boy, what go on for you?
Fumble up on him.
What? Acres of land? Don't think Baba can catch that.
Catch you one.
I'll make it there.
Because me not saying I can give them. Me in the groups are just saying.
Oh,
Done. I'm never out with some
Henry Rochester, Treasure Beach FC.
Alright, I play sprint and fast.
Alright. Set piece for True Juice. Oh, the delivery. No one on it.
Breeze really swinging away the ball.
Oh. That's a infringe play there.
I think Chuju sustained up, putting some more work behind.
What's the score? 1-0 in favor of True Juice.
And the sky's the limit for Chojos. They're really getting it right now. And I think, they can make it to the playoff. To the semi-finals. So. That's what we'll talk to the referee.
Our sports, when the channel makes enough money, I can definitely invest in that one. But for now, I'm telling you. So our sports have cut out the bias.
Who's it at? Fresh guy?
No, our sport. Enrique Rocha said True Juice can't match up to Treasure Beach 3 points.
Let's see. Can't underestimate Chojos.
Well on, Robert. Need some better camera equipment, but slowly and steady. That is the way. That's why I operate, man. Improvement over the time. Penalty. Oh, Robert saved that, our defender. And that's a beautiful goal. And it's 1-0. 1-1 now in favor. Lovely finish here for Falmouth United. 1-1, Falmouth 1, True Juice 1.
3 persons. Them should break on the play from before the money reach out the box.
Poor defending from True Juice there.
Because there's no way you could have dribbled past me there. You'd have a foul it. Baba! Baba!
True Juice on the attack. And he's still on the ball. Lovely hold up play there. And he wins a corner.
Quality
Yeah.
player.
I tell you.
Really good centre forward.
He shows all the attributes of a top centre forward. I think he's about 19.
Yeah. Usually play for Wagwan.
About 19. Shows a lot of potential. Delivery inside of the 18-yard box.
Baba control.
Baba on the control, and he's going to kick. And he rushed that one. Enrique said Maroons, Falkland, Baptist, Treasure Beach, top 4.
Baba!
No, but why this? Yeah, as in finish.
Finish everything.
About 5:30 before this I give it an.
Yeah. So you cut down. Go ahead.
No man, me finish again. That's what I say. You can cut if you're ready. Come now, you go watch a Jamaica match. I have to go my stream will start, but I have to go join it. Leon Price, yes, I'll be watching the Jamaican game, but I will be watching it a little bit later than everyone else. 2 minutes leaving the USA game. 5 minutes to the Jamaica game.
One move in on this. Well done, storage. Straight on storage, man.
Referee up there still.
Need a winner, George. I need a winner. Need a player now. Need a winner, George.
Change here for Juju's. Number 17 standing forward, coming off.
Create a goal.
Lovely assist for the goal.
Lovely assist. I think we are playing wrong. He's not going to give you that work that you would desire. You know, at the top. I think he's not that fit enough.
Commanding centre back just joins the pitch.
I tell the man about control.
I mean, what a goal! What a beautiful goal! Screamer! That was a beauty!
Catch that one?
That was a beauty! I wish I had a replay to show you guys. But that was a beauty. What a screamer by the number 19. 2 goals now and it's less.
Brilliant goal.
A rifle of a shot. Keeper had no clue what was coming at him.
The keeper all ends out.
Keeper had no clue what was coming at him.
Right?
About 30 yards. About 25 yards out. My word. What a shot. What a shot. True Juice 2.
Yeah, man.
Falmouth 1. Yeah, man, about 25 yards. True. What a shot. My word. That's going to be beautiful on the replay. Definitely I'll be cutting and clipping that one. Substitution for Falmouth.
It's a good turn. Laid off the ball properly.
And he struck that one beautifully.
His laces. His non-kicking foot was pointing towards the goal, so that execution was well put together. His head was over the ball, and I hope a lot of these young boys or person watching see that technique and copy it, teach their boys or learn to kick the ball. What's your thought on it?
Someone asked what's the name of the number 19. I can't remember his name, but most definitely I'll get his name for you guys.
Which team you affiliate with? One way number 19.
Investigate him. Man, tell her, I think I just as he's number 19. He's 19 years old as well. He's a young player, 19 years old. That's the number 19 who scored a screamer. A really talented player.
Relax and knock it.
Heavy pass.
Poor pass, or the wing back.
Falkland in the, Falmouth in the ascendancy. Trying to get back into the game. That goes for a goal.
Hey, let me show you about this Falmouth team. The Marley running this team. I think this team will be, with a lot of action, more firepower on the field. What's the thought, Military?
I think that they're playing good enough. Just as I said, in the final third, they lack that execution in the final third. Nonetheless, I do believe that Chuju's leading now is just a pure, sheer solo brilliance from the number 19. That's just lovely. Oh, a lovely goal from the number 19. But nonetheless, that's what you pay them for, right?
Right.
To give you that moment of brilliance. And most goals that are scored in football, I believe it's moments of brilliance. I do think we over-exaggerate on the essence of team goal. That's not something that you see a lot of.
Hey, what's the reaction when Reggae Boyz hit that ball in the goal?
I was surprised. It was a beauty.
It hit like a gun. Like a shot.
It sounded like a cannon when it came off as well. Boom.
Huh? So the important we send the back up in the game. You know?
Yeah, it will just come on, right? Really good, man. Good And what I realize now, it's not just his work he might do. He kind of dictate other players' them work as well. Ooh.
Go and give it a square. Go and give it a square. Go and give it a square. You show the man the ball, brother.
Such a good centre back. My word, man.
Solid player.
Elegant on the ball. Elegant in defending. Knows how to read the ball game.
Put his body on the line.
What's his name again?
Ty Wedderburn.
Ty Wedderburn. It's about 18, right?
He's around 20 now.
20?
Yeah.
20.
Didn't play last.
Rafa Brand, True Juice 2, Falmouth 1. Rafa Brand said, still can't get my transfer. For which team, Rafa?
What start? 6 minutes gone again.
Oi. Baba moving like he's on ice.
Let's go about one time now.
Take him down. Deliberate foul right there. Good hold play from the number 9 there, getting in his midfielders involved in the game.
Go.
And this,
Hold it up.
this is the number 9. Good work from Baba.
19 if you have movement.
That's why.
See man, hamstring gone. Hamstring, on straight.
You know, man. Like him, first.
You know them, man.
Me tell him, you know them, man. Can know some people did it for a long time versus people just over time you're going to realize. That's a me know something. Even do it like this, I have my problems answered. But I have to start fixing them. What if more things that pop up in the future coming down, right? For example. Exactly. About 10 minutes leave again, right? About 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm sure. We have video 90 minutes, alright? But we take about 10 first 15 minutes or so.
Come around the brother. Just come around the man with the ball and draw the man out of space.
Come right round.
Eh?
They come right round.
People carry the offline, just come right around and switch play. Get a screen at the back.
All sports, I give you commentary. Jamaica wins first corner. All sports, I give you something there. The updates. Also, Jamaica won the first corner. Enrique Rochester scores True Juice 2. Falmouth 1. Pretty good turnout for the second game by True Juice. I do think the support will grow gradually. Oh, Dede. Baba. And he can kick it. Oh, good defensive work there. Over the bar by Zimenez.
Over the bar, why is it?
It's just over the bar, he said, yeah. So I assume it's a close one.
Corner, kick it over.
Kick it over the bar.
It's a rocket that.
You know, in turn already.
Yeah, we do the same thing. Look at that technical boy.
Yeah, tell her. These are some of my sacrifice me have to go make it really hard.
Somebody on this side.
They watch along. Day coming off. Injury. Substitution by George. They want to Kamla Carter.
Passport, what you watching it on? YouTube?
Yeah, man. The CONCACAF YouTube channel, but the thing is that you have VPN, I believe. A VPN? Oh. Set piece Jamaica. Zimini stands over that one, I assume that's a goal.
Jamaica look like they're really playing some good football, man. Really trouble.
Then tell me, say, the Jamaica team overrated.
What you mean?
In my comment section, even this
Oh, no, the name I thought, no. You say that to me?
I assume they won't say that. I'm telling you, yes, because they say military going to just overhype baller and then something there.
Oh, you see, you see the money machine, go along.
Now watch them. Even people who now watch a team.
What you think about that?
Brother, man, quick. That's a good, oh, poor. That's poor. Quick, bro. On a flat 100, probably sub 10. Car to Costa Rica, number 9. That's early frustration from what? Poor kick from the keeper. I was supposed to Jamaica shape looks good. They have a good coach, you know. Yeah, because they don't know him. Duncan McKenzie strong in the midfield. That's a lovely take. One thing, the Falmouth team look dangerous so going forward.
Yeah, but you know, like in the latter part of the game, Falmouth team, because you're tiring. Chujus make some tactical changes, which really step up the tempo. Putting on the number 6 who really, controlling the back line, pushing out instruction to his teammates. And the game is really, in Chujus' favor right now, 2-1 up. I think that Chujus will carry on and win this game.
Credit to management on this day, substitution, game management.
So hats off to coaches, Chujus, making some good tactical changes.
Offside. Costa Rica fouling, making the game choppy.
They can't mind the pace of the Jamaicans. Pace is hot.
Step out the kitchen. Those unnecessary fouls in the midfield. 20 yards foul on Pearson. That's also another good position.
Simon is over it, our Pearson is going to kick it. Which one?
20 yards, Duncan. Duncan will take that.
Better than Pearson?
Duncan will take it. He might take it, man.
Who was standing over it?
What the person standing over it asked first? That would sound like a Duncan free kick to me.
So like a Pearson to me.
Pearson? No, 20 yards, Pearson are more range, man. About 25, going 30.
Right of
From the right of Zimenez. Oh, Zimenez.
Oh,
No, if it's Zimenez, it has to be direct. Straight, yeah. Once the other corner, curl to it as a Duncan. Range and corner. Oh, no Duncan, okay. Free kick here. Oh, and he skies it. All I person when I bash Pearson this man, we don't want Pearson to score it.
you know. Was the carrot team got World Cup? I can't check it.
I tell her. I forget him credit. First 15 minutes applaudable. Back post delivery by Baba. Keeper claim. Caught it well.
Really holding the ball in there and swinging it.
Oh, it's a delivery by the keeper. And the striker breaks through. Opportunity for the striker. And he goes to the back post. And he hits off the... Oh, that was close. That was really, really close here.
That was a good shot. Good flick of the ball. Trying to reach over to that.
See a lot of people in the stands blaming the keeper, and I don't know what the keeper could have really done right there when the striker was clean on goal. With an open goal to kick at.
Clear the ball one time, the ball.
Hold on to the ball. It's a dangerous position. Ty Wedderburn taking no chances here, no prisoners. And that has to be a foul. referee didn't deem it that way.
Breeze really, heavy over here at Bybrook.
Falmouth in the last minutes, growing in intensity. Oh, poor right there, Stafford. Didn't control that one with intent. I thought the referee had the linesman had read his body language.
Keep on him now. So who took up the ball?
Marshall, listen to him. Shows taking their own time, a bit of game management being applied here.
Can see even with the chip shot, the Breeze really carried that ball over. Breeze is like +4 right now. Really behind the ball. All sports, what's the score?
In the last year, man.
The ball come on him now. Keep calling the ball. Stay in your ball.
Game I done 5:30. That's my predicted. The Breeze and Pete Rubber now. The Breeze and the ball and Pete.
No, but I say you can't win it. Go back in your goal.
20 minutes in the law. That's good. Stern one from the referee. Stern one from the referee. Blessings one family. Delivered to the back post. Falmouth on the attack. Down the wings. On foul. Transitional foul by the True Juice team. 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes left to play of regular time. Yes, Enrique, score is still 2-1. foul there on the defender. Shove in the back, referee states. Push in the back.
Right now, Ty is solid, but the overseas market, we more player deal with for the deal for them. You know. But why?
Owen Pele, it is true juice.
What do you think so?
Owen Pele, true juice 2, Falmouth 1. When that's an unseen, never hear it say. The lines up for a shot. Opted not to take it.
Foul him with someone. You say we foul him now.
Shot fall in there, yes. It's a shot. Who won it off the bar? It is the Jamaica Tier 2 competition.
Is that a shot? The number 12 shot foul defender right there. That's it, simple.
He wouldn't lead to that. He wouldn't lead to that.
Game management. Well done, good. Go take the ball there.
Yellow card.
Goal line.
Yellow card to Rochester.
Like when time. The game are done, spread the ball and use the ball more.
Which referee see one? Five minutes up at the time, Harry.
13. Come on.
He has the support, but he won't let go of the ball. Can hear Ty Rutherford marshalling in defense, speaking to his teammate. Falmouth growing in anticipation, playing some good football in the last minute.
Spell from True Juice. Really pressed it. The Falmouth team. Really put them on the back foot.
This is a good game of football, I have to be honest. This is a good game of football. Referee has indicated 5 minutes. 5 minutes of added time. So we're about in the 4 minutes region now.
Well done, Ty.
Ty Wedderburn there. Some good defensive work. Jamaica falls off in intensity in the 15 minutes. In recent, that's what Allsport just said.
Fall out.
In intensity.
still watch him. Foul him this one. You know, say the team with the most fouls sometimes, most of the time when you get.
Good defensive work there. Lovely defensive work there.
Can't say. Off line, off. Corner flag, corner flag.
Falmouth in the ascendancy now. Driving towards the goal. He's skillful. Twist and turning. Juju sitting deep in their own half. Defending for the last 2 minutes or so. No out ball for Juju's. It's all Falmouth the last 5 minutes or so. Intense finish here for Juju's. Trying to manage the game, but Falmouth playing some good football. A bit of an overcast condition. Lovely condition for some football. Cool conditions. Brewing closer to the final minute of the game. Should just get the honor away quite easily, knowing that they're under so much pressure. Referee foul there. Dangerous position here. Will he go direct? Yellow card for Duncan McKenzie.
Right up on this one.
And 5 feet in there. Number 14 I get, man, I'm matching up. Number 14.
Nice team, man.
Juju's. No man, the 90 come off for long, man.
Yeah, man, so never forget, man.
And that is it. Full time.
Two goal in one score. What the game's there?
Nil same way. So that's the final whistle. True Juice 2. Falmouth 1. 3 points for True Juice. Let me get some picture. I'll go and take me so far.
You put me to go and see much on. Already.
I'll close that for now, man. Close it. Just make it run a couple seconds first.
Better interview.
So that's it, people. Final whistle. True Juice 2. Falmouth 1. And that's it for the final.